very much. But you know what? I'm actually very sad tonight because that's how life is. Life can be very depressing sometimes. It messes with my mind. And what matters is your point of view, right? Like look at that glass. This is pretty cliche already. Is it half empty or half full? And the best example of all the pessimists are people in weddings, you know, the single people in weddings. They're so pessimistic about things. They say, I'm always the bridesmaid, but never the bride. We look on the bright side of life. You're always the bridesmaid, but never the maid. And I have nothing against maids. I love my maids. They're very loyal, very obedient and patient. But man, being a blue-collar worker is really tough. And I realized this a while ago. I was running a tricycle. And I just looked into his eyes and he was so lonely. I had a philosophical enlightenment. You know, being a tricycle driver is a really lonely job because you wear long sleeves, your trips are really short. That was a joke. I'm sorry, I'm quite weird. But an even lonelier job is to be the outside tire of a tricycle because no matter how many times you turn yourself around, you're always the third wheel. And then you keep hearing para all day. You say, para. And it haunts you in your sleep. You think, para. Para sa itong ginagawa mo, mama. Ang pakinikita mo. Hindi ka pa nagtatanong bakit yung anak mo hindi nagpapagaling ng Jollibee. Dahil ang ma-afford niya ng rugby. Habang wala ka sa bahay, namamasahin ka sa kasada. Yung asawa mo namamasahin rin sa mama.
Oh!
Very depressing. Akala mo pag dumatawag yung kapit-bahay mo sa yung third wheel. And then they pay you, right? Like you start to roll up your sleeves and you start a conversation with them, but they're like giving their money, like, take my money, but not a sexual whore. And then, yung bill mo 10 pesos lang, but they give you 20 pesos. So you look for change in your tattered little felt bag. But the real change you're looking for isn't there. Very sad. So what do? They turn to us. They took those little stickers that essentially say, pareha lang sa umaga. And he think, pareha lang sa umaga, di ba, siyang panukli. So when I saw his eyes, pareha lang sa umaga, really meant, every morning, all I want is change. Thank you very much.